Hello, friends. So today we are going to guess the fruit's name. Are you ready? So what's this? We all know, right? Let's check. Apple. It's an apple. What is this? Yes, you guessed it, right. Grapes. I love grapes. Now, this is easy. Let's check.
Banana? Yes, it's a banana. Yellow, yellow. Okay. This one is everyone's favorite. This king of fruits. Mango. Yes. It's a mango. Yummy! What is this red, beautiful fruit? Strawberry.
Now, this is easy. Let's check.
Orange! Orange!
So what's this? We all know, right? Let's check.
Pineapple.
Okay. This is a summer fruit. It has lots of water in it. Watermelon.
So what's this? We all know, right? Let's check.
Pomegranate. Pomegranate.
Last but not the least, let's check. Papaya it is! Keep learning and enjoying, friends, until we post our next video.